limped off. Here's Bridgewater. That was a 4th and 14. Going deep, McCaffrey! And he makes an unbelievable catch, and he walks in. And they're going to say that he was down. The catches, the plays on this drive, Samuel, then Bridgewater, and now McCaffrey.
I mean, doesn't that look almost identical to Curtis Samuel's play earlier in this drive? So, you know, we always say it comes down to making plays. Again, you're running that crossing route, it's throwing back behind you, and to be able to stop your momentum and turn and make that catch and continue all the way to the ground with it. And Curtis Samuel and Christian McCaffrey, two of the nicest catches I've seen this year on